Peter Rabbit. Once upon a time, there were 4 little bunnies. They lived with their mother in a warm, cozy home under a big tree. One morning, Mother Rabbit said,
"You may go out and play, but do not go into the garden."
The other bunnies went to pick berries. But Peter twitched his little tail. He had a very curious idea. Peter squeezed under the garden gate.
Oh wow, so many snacks!
First, Peter found a big red tomato. He took a bite.
Oh.
Next, he found a crunchy carrot. Then, Peter saw an onion. He took a bite.
Blah! Woo!
That was not yummy, but Peter was still curious. He saw a little red hot pepper. He took a bite.
Oh wow! Ting!
Mr. McGregor was picking apples when he heard the noise.
Hey, what's that?
Peter froze. His eyes went wide.
Uh-oh!
Peter ran as fast as he could. He jumped under a flower pot. But his fluffy tail was sticking out. Mr. McGregor came closer. Peter held his breath. Then, crash! Mr. McGregor stepped on a pole. Peter ran away as fast as he could.
Uh-oh.
Suddenly, his blue jacket got caught on a branch.
Tick, tick! Oh no!
Peter wriggled and wiggled, but he could not get free. A little mouse was passing by.
Excuse me, which way is the gate?
The mouse tried to answer, but his mouth was full of food.
I think that means this way.
Peter slipped out of his jacket and ran. He ran and ran and ran until he reached the fence. He squeezed under it and didn't stop running until he got home.
Safe at last!
Peter jumped into his bed.
Oh, my tummy. Too many snacks, too many funny tastes.
Mother Rabbit gave him some warm tea. The next day, Peter stayed close to home. He still loved adventures. But not tomatoes, not onions, and definitely not hot peppers. From that day on, Peter listened to his mother and stayed safe.